this is the drift car I'm going to be going in a second. It's a Nissan S14. I'm not sure what brake horsepower and what the full spec is of this, but I have seen this many of times at Castle Combe. The guy that owns this contacted me via one of my YouTube videos, and he's offered me to have a few passenger laps, which I'm definitely not turning down. So yeah, I'm going to do my best to try and capture what I can on my GoPro, and yeah, I'm just really looking forward to going out in this thing. Here we go, it's going to be insane. Paz is just setting up my seat for me now so I can get all strapped in. But look at the weather as well, guys. Glorious. It's going to be really good.
And this one needs to be a bit tighter, because that's alright that side, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah, it's good.
Pull this down.
Yeah. Yeah.
But if you want to tighten this up, just pull these two. But that should be alright. Yeah. And then what I normally do is I loosen these off a little bit, so you can then put it back on when you need to, and then just pull them to as tight as you want it. But these ones are the important ones because they want to be kind of fairly tight around you. Just obviously don't go fucking flying out. That feels tight around there.
That's good, yeah.
Right there. So, yeah. Good. Release for a second.
So I think one come up scoring on the hydro, and then I started to aim at
3, 2, 1.
stopped, and a bit of concern with the tyres, of course. That was 3 laps, so it's not done too bad, but you can feel the car starting to wash. The BMW there. But yeah, what a car, guys, honestly. I say the setup on this is absolutely amazing. And it did start to get a bit warm too, which is no surprise when you're absolutely ragging the guts out of these things. Just give you guys another walk around of the S14. It's got the 720 wheels, brakes behind, OMP race seats, bumpers dragging there. Honestly, what an amazing car. It's set up so well. I cannot express that enough.
So I never switch it off, so it just... She's definitely not... Oh right. It's not where... So that's in trans, that's definitely knocked it out.
Well, that was an experience. Cheers for that, mate. I really appreciate it. It's really good.
Yeah, sorry we didn't get any more laps.
Well, you got 3 laps, so good.
Yeah.